wasted time. Let's waste some time together.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Josh, aka Greg. So welcome to this brand new video of mine. So today it's my actual face. Today I'm smoking a cigar again. It's the Alec Bradley Magic Toast, one of the heaviest cigars out there in the market right now. I don't recommend anybody smoking this if you're new to cigars. This stick can literally fucking kill you. I was gonna make this video pretty short about the new updates coming out, but actually I felt like no. I don't want to put any video about Celtic Heroes out there that's not really Celtic Heroes, okay? And the update log, which the company developing or producing the game, is actually putting out there, I don't want to have anything to do with that. So I want to make it clear for anybody watching this, the update that's coming out, it's going to involve a new pet, it's going to involve some LEYSTONE stuff, some fixes to the game, like balancing fixes to fucking the O2, which is kind of stupid on its own. And also I want to let you guys know how I fucking look like, because there's some questions out there like, oh, you look like this and this. Some people saw on some Instagram stories of mine, some pictures I posted in the community section here, which I try to keep updated with you guys every once in a while. I want to keep you guys updated as much as possible, though it may not be possible to keep you guys on track all the time. And I just want to push this video out, but I was like, this update isn't worth talking about at all. Like, there's nothing major being added to the game, only like a new premium pet, which probably involves a fucking knife. Like, what's there gonna be a fucking imp? And they fucking pushing out chests again, but these chests are actually involving the old summer stuff, fashion stuff. Yeah, come on, are you guys too fucking lazy to add new fashion to the game, so you reuse old stuff? I don't understand it. Like, what did you guys think when you developed that update? You fucking added the caramel LEYSTONE after fucking 4 years of people requesting that? Holy shit, you're fast. Yeah, it's been about time. I just think that that's the most important thing to know about the update. And also they made the O2 less special, so I'm gonna see how we all cope with that. Yeah. Anyways, I was gonna add you guys some mixing with my alt in the background, but I think I'm just gonna upload this right away. And I'm just gonna put it out like this, because I feel like, I mean, the log is on the screen all the time during this video, update log, and I just, yeah, this is pretty sad. And I think we can somewhat, like, this update is gonna be later July. Once again, happy 4th July to everybody that participated. I participated as well. Have been smoking a stogie, which is a cigar. Like an American one with my American friends online via Zoom call, which you university, college, high school, whatever, may have been using Zoom during the Corona pandemic as well. It's a great thing to use, but yeah, it was fun. Though it just was laggy a little bit, like server-wise. Anyways, I'm gonna have this story. Smoke it to the end. I'm actually deep into this one. And once again, like, I don't recommend anybody smoking this if you do not have any cigar experience, like previous experience. Just don't go out there and buy yourself like a stick like this. These will cost like $10. It's not much money. Well, it might be much money for one stick. But in cigars, a fairly decent price. You can check it out again. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good stick. Not much to add to that. That's this video, so I hope you guys have a nice week, and as always, yeah, just chill your fucking life, and remember the outro, don't take it so serious. See you later in the next one.
Don't take it so serious. Everything in life is a love story. Don't take it so serious. It shouldn't be so scary, it's a fairy tale. Don't take it so serious.